Yes, Ethan. So let's see here. Can you see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will continue our next questions, है ना? As here it is given कि write the successor of, है ना, of the flowing, okay? In the question E, okay? So before solving this question, we will learn about the successor. We will just do the revision of successor, है ना? That कि what do you know about the successor or predecessor, okay? Successor and
Yes, sir.
predecessors, okay? So what do you know about the successor?
Yes, sir.
Successor mean
Right.
can you please explain me what do you know about the successor? Just tell me.
Sir,
Can you hear me
sir,
na?
successor means the number after the number, and
Okay.
predecessor means the number before the number.
Yes, very good, है ना? तो successor means here we have to add +1 and predecessor means -1, right? I have some tricks. You can also use those tricks to
Yes,
remember
sir.
the meaning of the successor and predecessor, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are doing a task and you get success on that task, okay? So it's mean you
Yes,
get
sir.
success means you achieve one level more, है ना? And now you are ready to
Yes, sir.
for the next level, right? You achieve the that level and now you are going to the next level, right? So in this way you can understand कि suppose you have 12, you have to find the successor of the 12. It's mean you have to go the next number, right? है ना? So it will be 13. Okay? Is it clear? Now it's about prediction.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
So this was the trick. So here as you can see successor means, as you can for understanding you can remember it like as ki success. Okay, you can relate it from success. So when you get the success you go one step forward, है ना? You go one step forward, right? So in this way you can learn ki success is successor, okay, or successor is related with success. So definitely the second one will be prediction. It's mean -1. Here we have to come back one step, okay? Is it clear? The second one is,
Yes,
the
sir.
second trick is in the English alphabet. In the English alphabet, what you get first, S or P?
Sir,
What you will get, S or P first in English alphabet? P comes before
sir, P.
S, right? Huh. So we can say that na
It's
P
P
comes
before
before
comes
S,
before.
right?
Yes, sir.
P Q R S. See here, P Q R then S
Sir,
comes, right? So in this way you can run it ki P for predecessors, right? It's mean we have to write the before one, है ना? Or as here S come
yes, sir.
after the P, है ना? S
Yes, sir.
comes after the P, right? So here we have to write the number which is after the given number, okay? So as an
Yes,
example,
sir.
suppose we have 98. So the successor will be next number, that will be 99. A predecessor means the
Yes, sir.
before number, है ना? The before number, okay? Or -1 you can say. So it will be 97, okay? So successor of 98 is 99 and predecessor of 98 is 97. Is it clear or any doubt? Just tell me. Is it clear? So if you want to note down it, you can note down. Successor means +1 and predecessor means -1. Okay? Please note it. as a point, please note it कि successor means +1 and predecessor means. Okay, so done now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible. Hello, Ethan, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. Now, so let's try the questions, है ना? So here the question
Yes,
is
sir.
written कि write the successor of the first one is 54,779. Okay. So let's see here how you have to write it. First you have to write the question. Okay. E number, write the successor of, है ना, like this. Okay. Then you have to write the number 1 and write the question 54,799. Okay. Now you have to give the arrow mark from where you will start the answer. Okay. And you have to write successor of 54,799 is what it will be. Tell me. 54,000, what it will
Sir,
be.
54,800.
800. Very good, है ना?
54,800.
Yes, if you want to see the explanation, let's see here. 54,799 successor means +1, है ना? So let's see. 9 plus 1,
Yes, sir.
10, 0 in hand 1, right? 9 plus 1, 10, 0 in hand 1, 7 and 1, 8, 4 and then 5. So it's 5,400, okay? You have to not note down this one. Okay, this is for explanation only. Okay, so you can ignore it.
Yes.
Yeah, this things you have to note down. Okay. Yeah. Similarly, can you do the second
Yes, sir.
question? Similarly, can you do the second question?
Yes, sir.
89,999.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you have to give the arrow mark and write successor of 89,999 is what it will be. Tell me by yourself.
Sir,
89,999. Yes, tell me.
um,
You have to just do +1. So what you will get? This 9,999 will become 1,000. So 89,000 plus 1,000. It will be
90,000.
90,000. Very good. है ना? It will be only 90,000. Okay. So first, please
Yes, sir.
note down this one. Okay. And do the
Yes, sir.
question number 2 by yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please note down the first one and do the second by yourself and send me the photo. Okay, then. So you have written successor of 54,799, that is 54,800. Okay. Acha, no need to give equal to if you have already written is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, just write is. Okay. No need to give equal to also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And here you have written the same question. In the second one, successor of 54,799. Again, why? It should
Sir,
be
will correct
89.
it. Sir,
It
I
should
am
be
sorry.
89,999. No? Please correct it. Did you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Huh. So did you corrected it?
Yes, sir.
बाइक लेके गए थे? हाँ? बाइक अंदर किए? उड़ा देना वाला. Yes, so here we will just write it. successor of 89,999 is what it will be 90,000 है ना, right? Okay, so in this way you can do the other questions also now. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So let's see here. The next question is question number F. Okay. See how you have to solve it. The F question. Okay. So in fair copy you have to
Yes,
write
sir.
the first question. Okay. F1. That is the write the prediction of. Okay. So you have to write this sentence, and after that you have to write number 1. Then you have to write the question. Okay. 2,50,000 है ना, 2,50,000.
Yes, sir.
So let's see here how you will write it. Here you have to just write mm, prediction of 2,50,000 है ना, 2,50,000. What it will be? What
Yes,
it will
sir.
be? What will be the answer? Prediction of 2,50,000 is, tell me by yourself है ना.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer is 2,
हाँ.
4,
Okay. 2 lakh.
2,499.
2,49,999 है ना.
2,999.
If you want to see the explanation, see here. 2,50,000 minus 1. Let's subtract it. We can't subtract 1 from 0, right? So we will carry है ना, carry 1. So it will be 9 here, right? Here also 9,
Yes,
9, and here 9, and here it will be 4. So 9 minus 1, wait, sorry, it will be 10, not
yes,
9
sir.
here है ना. It will be 10 here, not 9. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
10 minus 1, it will be 9. Then here it 9, 9, again here 9, 4 and 2. So it will be 2,49,999. Okay. You have to not note down this one. This is for understanding only. Okay. Similarly, you have to do the question number 2. Okay. So you have to write the question and just write 89,000. Sorry.
Na-
Wait.
And then
It is 1,75,000 na. 1,75,001, right? 1,75,001 है ना. So did you understand how you have to write it? What you will write first? Prediction of 1,75,001 is what it will be?
yes,
Here you have to subtract 1 है ना. So what it will be?
yes,
What it will be? Tell me.
sir. 1,75,000.
1,75,000. Very good है ना. So first note down the first one. Okay. And then please do the second question by yourself. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, please do and show me. Yeah, so you have corrected the previous one also, na?
yes, sir.
Hmm. 90,000. Okay. And here for the second one is. Acha, are you noting it in fair copy?
No, sir. This is normal copy.
This is the classwork, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I thought it's a fair copy because both are same, like same.
Yes, sir.
That's why. Prediction of, okay, 2,50,000, 2,49,999 है ना. You didn't give the comma between 2 and 4. Producer of 1,75,000. One is 1,75,000. Okay, good. So you can do this question fully by yourself now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see the next question. Okay. The question G, है ना? Let's see
Yes,
how
sir.
you have to do. Okay. So G1. Okay. First you have to write the whole question. Okay. In your fair copy, है ना? But in the rough copy, the classer copy, no need to write the full question. Okay. Just give the G number. Okay. So G,
Oh,
it says that कि write
yes,
the
sir.
flowing numbers in figure, है ना? Here you have to write the flowing number in figures, right? Okay. So it is 404,000, right?
Yes, sir.
404,000, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
404,305, right?
Yes, sir.
305. Okay. So first you have to understand
Yes, sir.
कि whether it is in Indian place value system or international place value system. So can you please tell me in which system it is given? Indian place value
Sir,
or international? It's 404,305.
sir, it's international place value.
Yes, very good, है ना? So here we have to write it in the form of international place value system, right? And we give the comma after every we give the comma after every 3 digit, है ना? Or between every
Yes,
three
sir.
digit, okay? From the right side.
Yes,
So here what we will write
yes,
404,000. It's mean first we have to write 404, okay? This is for
yes, sir.
1,000, है ना? This is for 1,000. So
Yes, sir.
it will be the in the place of 1,000, okay? Or in the period of 1,000.
Yes, sir.
After that 305.
Yes,
So
sir.
here we will write 305. This will be our answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
404,000 and
Yes, sir.
305. So it will be read in the same way as 404,305, okay? Similarly you have to
Yes, sir.
do the question number 2, okay? The second one कि
Yes, sir.
621,000 621,000,
21,000.
right? And it is written
Yes, sir.
234, है ना? 234.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it clear? So can you
Yes,
do
sir.
it by yourself? Can you do it by
Yes, sir.
yourself? Okay, then first do
Yes,
note
sir.
down this one. First note down this one, okay? And then do for the second one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do
Yes,
it.
sir.
And send me the photo, है ना?
Yes, sir.
जी. Yes, Ethan, done. Hmm. 400, 4,305. Good. And here is 621, na?
Yes, sir.
21,000. Okay, and 300. Here it is 4, na? But in copy you have written 5. In
Oh,
word you have written 5. Five. Please check it. Okay. Now see here 621,000. Okay, it's mean we have to
yes,
write
sir.
it in the place of or in the period of 1,000. Okay, So it will
Yes,
be
sir.
621,234. It will be like this, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, na?
No, sir.
Yes. So today we will keep till here, okay? You have to do the
Yes, sir.
see what are the questions you have to do today, okay? You have to do the question number C because it was wrong, okay? The C question
Sir.
fully, okay? And then the question E, F and G, okay? These four question you have
Yes,
to
sir.
do and send me, okay? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So for
Yes, sir.
today, we will keep till here. The next part, there are three more questions for revision. Okay. We will do it in tomorrow's class, and after that, we will continue with our number beyond 9,99,999. Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
now? Yeah. So for today,
Yes,
that's
sir.
all. Thank you.